Hey guys, this is Exploring with Zero, but this is not an exploring video today, but I have something about a car, and it's about my 08 Subaru Impreza, and it's just a stock just Impreza, no WX STI, and I put on a exhaust, and it's a DNA motoring, that's what they call, and what I have is, I'll let you hear it from right here. You might can hear it, I don't know. Okay. That's the sound right here. Here's the sound from inside the car. Like, it sounds like, it's weird. And then right here, well, here's my old exhaust. But what's weird is right here. That's what it looks like. It sounds good while it idles, but you just gotta hear it from where the exhaust is. Now we'll try to set up my phone for you. I don't know if I can. There we go. And try to hear this. So if you hear that sound right there, I think it's supposed to be a more rumble, but I do not know. It sounds like a Honda. But no, this is just an 08 Subaru. If anybody knows how to make it more like a rumble sound besides like a rattling sound like a ricer, then hit me up in the comments saying what to do, and I will try to do that. But if you haven't even seen my car, even though you probably have in the videos, this is it. I mean, I have it in a weird, have it front view on my phone, but that's it right here. And it's an 08 Subaru Impreza 2.5i. And just tell me anything, because I got it not too long ago, and I had like a bluffer thing in it, or a silencer in it, and still made the same sound. So what I'm going to do is try to see your comments and see what I could do to make it more like a rumble sound, what a Subaru is supposed to sound like besides a ricer Honda. But I'm going to get off of here. Thanks for watching, and like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.